Yes, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm VJ and you're now watching another episode of my reaction for today. For today guys, I'm going to react on G22's behind the scenes on Road to hashtag Acer Day 2024. I was actually recommended to watch their behind the scenes. And so I'm going to be watching first on this 4 months ago behind the scenes on their Acer Day 2024 performance. So let's go. Whoa.
Limitless.
Dance rehearsals with a spinning scene. So, Ang kulit-kulit talaga ng style. Yeah. Truth Festival. Ang galing talaga nila, no? Ito yung lagi kong sinasabi. Every stage talaga, iba-iba yung pinapakita nila. Kahit isang song lang yan, iba-iba yung pinapakita nila every stage. Parang hindi nila kinakopy kung ano yung performance nila the last time with this Limitless song. With this song also. Galing, no?
Are finished with Truth Festival. Now we're back in CS to train hanggang
training with coach.
yes for Acer Day dahil malapit na siya.
Until 1 a.m. diba?
Yes, it's 1 a.m.
Grabe yung rehearsal, no?
Laban para maabot ang pangarap. Wow. So we gotta rest ourselves, but rest is not part of our schedule. Sige. Okay, ulas.
Baho. Sorry.
Okay. Bye guys. Wala na kami natitirang energy. We will save it.
Okay. Ito na yung rehearsals. With the A-team. Wow. They have these bare faces, right? Walang makeup. Ang gaganda.
Pero sabay pa rin kayo nun, ha? Sabay lang siya. Just gonna join you guys on top of what you're doing na.
Grabe. Kahit sa rehearsals, no? Let's go! Ang galing. Wow! Grabe yung energy.
AcerCon tomorrow. Channeling in the middle of our G22. Don't copyright us.
Anong oras pa lang? 9:45 a.m.
Look at my screensaver. Make it cute.
Ang cute talaga ni Jazz, no? Look at my screensaver.
My.
Cute!
Mas cute yung phone mo. Mas cute yung ano. Ganda.
New mission.
Ito maganda. What's the word to do? Kita niyo nails niya? Oo, yung binabanggahan niya. Pakita niyo nails niya. Taray.
Yeah.
Ikaw. Na yun, Jay.
Ah.
Dapat nakaganon.
So ako mag-take off. Hello!
Ganto.
Food. So wakas, breakfast. This
Ah.
among croissant.
Croissant.
And this is wala nakalagay na name. Gagawin ko na siya ng name. This is tubo. Charet. What are you? Sagot. Hindi siya sumasagot, guys. Basta tinapay. So, ngayon, kakain muna kami ng breakfast. Tapos magkakaroon kami ng rehearsals with 18 saglit. And then after rehearsals, early lunch. After early lunch, pupunta kami ng studio for rehearsals with Ate Sandara
Ah.
and G-Force.
Ang taray naman ng nails niya, no?
Slay! Ayun o, ang sakit talaga dito.
Ah, bakit?
Matatanggal siya. Hindi ako natutuwa. Ang sakit. 안녕하세요. 저는 Jasmine Henry입니다. Yeah. In Conrad입니다. Ayun na po. Tapos na yung vlog.
Grabe. Halimaw talaga, no? Kahit sa rehearsals. Yay! Oh, hindi ba pwedeng hindi muna nila all out yung boses nila kasi to save it. Anyways.
Buti naman po, nawawala na po yung boses. No po. Nagchichikahan lang po kami. Chika kasi I sent them something
Bawal magsalita.
and it's a secret. PG naman po.
Nood mo na kayo. Rated G22. Dress rehearsals. Slay. Ang galing. Grabe palang rehearse. Sobrang dami ng rehearsals.
We're now in the van. We're on to our second rehearsal.
Andyan na si Sandara.
Anong decision mo?
Down position mo daw.
Okay lang. Nadulo.
Magandang sila. Anyway, sir, yeah, it's the first time to meet at the Santara.
Oh.
And, yun po, maraming salamat. Kita-fits tayo dun. You can see my iPad. Practice makes perfect. In or out, am I in or out? Am I in or out?
Kinanta ba nila to with Sandara?
In ako or out sa puso mo. Pag napunod na akin to. Pero mga Tagalog ko, pati ang English ko. Kahit ganito ay totoo. Ang masasabi ko. Ayun. See you inside, guys.
Ay, ayun na. Ang pambansang krung-krung.
So now we're gonna
G22. Ang galing ng matchup na yun. G22-1. G20-21.
Ay! Oh my gosh, I didn't record the whole thing. Ang ganda ng sinasabi ko. Ang ganda ng sinasabi ko.
Ang sabi niya, ang ganda ng sinasabi ko. Parang mas fluent pa siguro si Sandara mag-Tagalog nitong si Jazz.
I wasn't recording the whole time. So, to rewind, kasi ang ganda ng sinasabi ko kanina. Emotional, my depth, and masaya. Direct, take two. Tapos na po kami mag-rehearse with Ate Sandara for the first time. We did a rehearsal prior, the day before yesterday, 12 a.m. with just G-Force. Pero ngayon, iba na yung blocking siguro yung choreo. Parang bago lang. So, it was fun, or a bit sweaty, but sa tingin ko, tapos na kami mag-rehearse ata. Pero hindi ko alam kung may dinagdag. Hindi pa ako kumain. Anong oras na ba? It's 2:41. Time check. Ayan. Time check. Oh.
Ayun.
Tingnan mo, cute ng aso ko. Cute lang. Ayan. O, diba?
Yes.
So, yan. Kung tapos na lahat, mag-check-in na po kami sa room namin. And get some rest after a shower and get in the zone. Kumayat ni Ate Dara. She's so cute and sweet. Can I come here for the show tomorrow? Yeah!
Yes! Yung ano na yan. See you tomorrow! Anyways, I think that's all. Okay, so that's G22 behind Road to #AcerDay 2024. That is so exciting, right? At sa rehearsal pala nila, kahit ang dami ng rehearsals nila, no? Tapos, binibigay talaga nila lahat, kahit sa rehearsals pa lang. Anyways, ang galing na-enjoy ko itong behind the scene na to. And, I'm gonna be watching their other behind the scenes, yung behind the scenes nila talaga sa performance nila sa AcerDay 2024. So that's gonna be on my next episode. For now, guys, thank you for recommending this to me, and I'm gonna be watching the other G22 behind the scenes in my next episode. For now, guys, thank you and bye-bye.